Hello again, Rockets. Can you believe it's almost the last week of the school year? And it's going to be our last video this week. Thank you again for all of the wonderful questions that you asked. Just remember, if we didn't get to answer your question in one of the videos, we would be happy to answer one of your questions in person next school year. We're going to go ahead and get started with our first question. Our first questions are from a student in Miss Canzanetti's class. They asked, do you have a pet and do you love turtles? So first, I do have a pet. I have a dog named Mikey. Like I told you in an earlier video, all of my kids are named after Ninja Turtles, but Mikey was actually the very first Ninja Turtle. So we got him when it was just me and my husband before we had any kids. He is almost 6 years old, but we got him as a puppy and we love him so much. He's a really, really fun dog and a big part of our family. I wanted to tell you about another kind of unique pet that I've had in the past. When I was growing up in my family, we didn't really have dogs or cats, but we did have hedgehogs. So this is a picture of one of my hedgehogs that I got when I was a grown-up, when I was adult but wasn't married yet. Her name is Penelope. We call her Pookie. She was really sweet and fun. Now, I need to answer your other question. Do you love turtles? Obviously, I named all of my kids after Ninja Turtles, so yes, I do love turtles.
Hi guys, I do have a pet. Her name is Remy and she's a little Boston Terrier. She loves to eat ice cubes, especially the ones that come from the sky and form into ice. She's an adorable little dog. Turtles, my favorite animal. You guys are great. I love the questions. Keep them coming.
Our next set of questions are from students in Miss Anderson's class. So first, do I like Pokemon? So I grew up with a lot of brothers, like I've told you before, and they all played with Pokemon and love Pokemon. And I like them. I think my favorite would probably be Charizard. Do I like steak? I do love to eat steak, especially when my husband cooks it. He's really, really good at cooking steak. And then what do I like to do on the weekends? I like to do a lot of different things. I love to just be outside. So going to the park with my family, going up into the mountains, going to swim is one of our favorite things to do together as a family. Sometimes on the weekends too, I just want to relax. And one of my favorite things to do is just to read a book or just binge watch a show or a movie or something.
Okay guys, I'm going to be honest with you here. I know Pokemon's some sort of like kid game. That's about all I know about it. You guys are just going to have to teach me more on that one. I do like to eat steak occasionally. And on the weekends, I will just get on a plane and fly somewhere for the weekend. I love to garden, be with my family or my friends. Sometimes I like to relax in the winter. I like to go snowboarding or just stay inside and watch a really good series.
Our next question is from Emery in Miss Canzanetti's class. She asked, if you had the opportunity to go to space, would you go? That's a hard question because I think it'd be really cool to go to outer space. But I think I would only go if I could bring my whole family with me because I would miss them too much if I was in space for a long time.
All right, if I had the opportunity to go to space, I would respectfully decline. I enjoy gravity holding me down, and I feel like there's so much on this earth to explore that I don't quite need to be a space adventurer.
Okay, Rockets, a lot of you asked questions about what changes we might be making to the school. Things like, are you going to get longer recesses? Or are the rules going to be different? Or can we get you different food for lunches? Things like that. I will say most of the things going on at Rolling Meadows will stay the same pretty much. However, I want you to know that if you ever have ideas of ways that we can make the school better, we always want to hear those ideas. There are some things we can't really control. For example, I can't actually change the food that we serve in the cafeteria. And I can't really change how long our recesses are. That's actually the same at most schools. But if there are things that we can change or things that we can do to make the school even better, then I would love to hear your ideas and suggestions.
This is a really great question. What changes will you make to our school? Well, since I don't know your school well enough yet, our school well enough yet, I don't want to say that I would change anything because you might be doing everything so wonderfully that we wouldn't need to make those changes. But I'm always open to ideas and I'm always open to suggestions.
Okay, Rockets, we hope you have a fabulous Friday, and we are so excited to see you all at the talent show next Wednesday, where we'll announce our school theme for next school year. We'll see you then.